Hi everyone, so it is just past 12 midday on 28th of April, so that puts us at, what day is it? What day is it? It all just merges together, Tuesday, there we go. And so I'm going to do a quick scan highlighting the charts that I'm staying away from, which are very important, and charts that I like the look of. Okay, so just here having a look, and this is all on the 4-hourly time frame, which refers predominantly to charts that are offering some opportunity for day traders or intraday traders, whichever way you like to say it. So starting off with the Dow. Nice little uptrend, market is moving. Okay, so it'll be the same on the S&P. There's also a nice trend in play to the upside, so buy opportunities there. My concern here, say with the Euro stocks, is coming up into resistance. Bit of a caution on that one. NASDAQ also trending to the upside, just keeping an eye on these previous highs in case they do encounter some resistance. FTSE's managed to break up, looking nice and strong. Any pullbacks into that on lower time frames, going down, say, for example, 15 minutes, 30 minutes might offer opportunities, pullbacks for buying opportunities on that. So basically all of the indices looking very much like they're trending to the upside and actually moving. I will just keep an eye on areas that might then act as potential resistance. Hang Seng is also moving very aggressively, so that's really bullish. That's an interesting indication as well. When the Asian sessions are very bullish, it's usually a good sign. It usually means that would be the sentiment of the market. Only one here that's wobbling a bit is the S&P. The Australia SPX, so SPI. So there we go. Then having a look at oil, obviously most brokers have shut all that down to close only positions, so no real immediate opportunities, but the market is still, I'm just commenting here, market is still looking, Brent is actually looking a little bit more bullish. It's gapped to the upside. WTI West Texas Intermediate not looking so bullish. Having a look at, say, cocoa, no clear trend. Market's going sideways, pass on that one completely. Coffee is looking really nice and bearish. It's encountered some support here, but overall, that's a nice trend in play. Copper looking more bullish than bearish. So that looks as though that's now going to push to the upside. We'll see. I'd like to see kind of this next candle close bullishly on that one. Natural gas not going anywhere, so that's a pass on that one. Soybean is now starting to look more bullish, so possibly one to the upside. Then having a look at the US dollar index. This is moving, so there's some really good trends. Go straight down to the 30 minutes, even lower actually. There we go, 5 minute down, so there's some potential trading opportunities there. Now some bullish divergence, so it's going to do a retracement, likely to do a pullback on this, on that, but that trend overall not looking too bad. At least it's going somewhere. Euro dollar is climbing to the upside, breaking through this level of resistance. Looks good. We've got sterling looking really nice. That looks like that's very much going to head up towards 1.28, 258, 259. Aussie dollar, really nice. So these are also looking good. Straight down to the 30 minutes as well, some potential tradable opportunities there, so I like the look of that. Kiwi dollar, get past this resistance level and then there may be something, but so far of the majors, not liking Kiwi dollar. I just included the majors. Dollar yen actually looking really good here as well, broken through a nice level of support. What I'd like to see here is pullbacks in to test this level as resistance and then looking for shorting opportunities, but that probably won't happen today. That'll likely happen Wednesday or Thursday. Dollar Swissy, shorting this, but the problem here is there's no clear trend, so dollar yen is preferable because it is already in a downtrend. Dollar Swissy, dollar CAD, I beg your pardon, dollar CAD now breaking through support as well, heading lower, coming into support now. Again, pullbacks into these areas of support to test as resistance are appealing. Looking at Euro GBP, looking nice and weak, but not the best one I've seen, downtrending at least. Euro yen, no real clear trend at this time. Euro Swissy overextended, looking to pull back, so no trade. Euro CAD, no clear trend at all, staying away from that completely. Euro Aussie, beautiful, really nice breakthrough of support here. Hasn't quite tested that same level for resistance, but overall that trend structure looking very nice. Okay, Euro Kiwi, no clear trend at all, staying away from that. Pound yen is looking good for a potential breakout to the upside, so there might be a breakout above, if I go have a look, possibly a breakout above the high of this level, which is 133.57, call it, and then potentially taking profits ahead of closer to 134.75 maybe. So that's looking pretty cool. This also looks really nice. Pound Swissy pullbacks down, looking for re-entries on the lower time frames. Okay, it's already setting up with a bullish candle on the 1 hour time frame, potentially a longer a move to the upside there. So that's looking good. Pound CAD, no clear trend, although we've got higher lows. we're struggling with resistance, so that's a hard pass. Pound Aussie trending down, starting to look like it's running out of steam there a little bit. Pound Kiwi, hard pass. Okay, nothing there. Kiwi CAD, hard pass, no clear trend. Kiwi Yen, no, hard pass. So basically, the New Zealand pairs not offering anything. Aussie Kiwi, absolutely lovely. Money making opportunities here. Really nice retracement right back down into 1.0690, call it. This very, very nice. Absolutely on my watch list for tradable opportunities. I'll put an independent post on this one on it. Aussie Yen breaking through resistance, looking more bullish, but there's still a bit of struggling with a bit of resistance up there. Not bad. Aussie Swissy also looking good. These are markers that are clearly moving. Aussie CAD. So Aussie pairs are moving, not Kiwi pairs. Swissy Yen potentially a pullback and then continuing to the downside. CAD Yen, absolutely nothing. Okay, staying away from that. That's just going to take your money away from you. This CAD Swissy encountering some resistance. So the CAD and Swissy pairs not as great. Looking at gold, no clear trend here at the moment. Okay, no clear trend just yet. Silver being the same. No clear trend here per se. Certainly not compared to others. Gold futures, same thing. Platinum, sideways. No clear trend. So waiting for that to decide what to do. Bitcoin still looking bullish. It's setting up as a potential bullish pattern here. I'm just concerned about false breakouts. Ethereum would probably be the one that looks nice and bullish to continue onwards. And that's very much on my list for today. For the rest of the day, we'll see how the US session unfolds, which is going to kick off in the next 90 odd minutes, and that's food for thought, and we'll see what we have looking good tomorrow.